India is a country of 1.3 billion people, who are of different colors, beliefs and follow different religions, but we have one thing in common, our love for our great nation, India. Watch this video till the end to see what are the views of common Indians on various topics such as religion, caste, genders, education and several other topics. Pew Research Center, a US-based organization, did a survey of religion of 30,000 young Indians from all over India, of different religions, to find out what common Indians think of religion. The surveyors asked young Indians about many topics, such as religious freedom in India, interfaith marriages, festivals and tolerance. Let's see what results came through the survey. Religious tolerance is deep-rooted in Indian culture. Many Indians believe that it is important to be tolerant to be a true Indian. Indians consider tolerance as a civic value, and remain united when it comes to respect other religions. 91% of surveyors told that they are free to practice their religion, and 84% of surveyors believe that respecting other faiths is must to be a true Indian. According to the report, Indians have some common beliefs, even though they may have different religions. 77% of the Muslims who participated in the survey believe in karma, which is a Hindu concept. 32% of total Christians who participated in survey believe that river Ganga has purifying power. 12% Hindus and 10% Sikhs were found connected to Sufism, which is associated with Islam. From the previous survey, we saw that Indians consider respecting other beliefs as part of the culture, but when they were asked to interact with each other, live together, many refused. Of the total Hindus who were surveyed, 66% told that Hindu women should not marry a non-Hindu. The similar trend was observed in case of Muslims. 80% Muslims told that Muslim women shouldn't marry a non-Muslim. When Hindus, the majority, were asked whether speaking Hindi or being a Hindu is necessary to be a true Indian or not, they give mixed reaction. 64% told that being Hindu is important to be a true Indian, 59% told being able to speak Hindi is important to be a true Indian, whereas 51% agreed to both. Actually, respecting every language and religion is must to be a Indian. What do you think? Comment. When the surveyors asked the people whether Muslims should have separate courts for them for family disputes, around 40% people supported this. 74% Muslims, 30% Hindus, 27% Christians, 35% Sikhs, 33% Buddhists and Jain favored this. But practically passing this law seems impossible, because current government is planning to implement Uniform Civil Code, which doesn't advocate for the same. Muslims are the second majority of the country, living in India for centuries, with Hindus peacefully. But shared history of Hindu-Muslims is also checkered by violence and conflicts. When surveyors asked Muslims about Indian culture, 63% said Indian culture is the best, 22% said Indian culture is superior to others but not the best, which shows majority of Indian Muslims love Indian culture. India is a country with a very unique culture, where millions of people pray to God every day. But there is also a section in India who does not believe in God. When Indians were asked whether they believe in God or not, more than 90% said they believe in God. 91% Muslims, 98% Christians and Hindus, 99% Jain and 67% Buddhists and 94% Sikhs believe in God. So, every third Buddhist is an atheist. Belief in God is close to universal in India. Some people believe in single God, while there are also some who believe in God with many manifestations. Out of the total people surveyed, 35% said they believe in single God, 54% believe in God with many manifestations, 6% believe in many gods and 3% do not believe in God. Seeing the data religion-wise, it was found that 29% Hindus, 66% Muslims, 68% Christians, 57% Sikhs and around 40% Jains and Buddhists believe in single God, whereas 61% Hindus, 22% Muslims, 24% Christians, 36% Sikhs, 22% Buddhists and 54% Jains believe in God with many manifestations. When the surveyors asked Indians whether they celebrate festivals of other beliefs or not, some said yes. Diwali, for example, is celebrated by around 20% Muslims, 31% Christians, 90% Sikhs, 79% Buddhists and more than 95% Jain celebrate Diwali, which shows that Indians take interest in celebrating every festival. This is all about Pew Center research on India's religion and segregation. From the survey, it can be said that Indians respect the beliefs of others, but when it comes to interaction with each other, many still hesitate. So this is all for today, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hit the like button and let me know your suggestions by commenting on this video. Thanks for watching.